So can you actually make a full-time income on YouTube without YouTube monetization, AdSense, or sponsorships? Guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can make a full-time passive income with YouTube, even if you have a small channel. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to build a full-time passive income business with affiliate marketing. So if you guys wanna learn exactly how I've been able to go from a full-time 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated to a full-time affiliate marketer and online business owner, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day showing you exactly my journey on how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. Let's get into this, guys. So how do we actually monetize a YouTube channel with no AdSense, no monetization, no sponsorships? Guys, first of all, how do we even get monetized, right? And if you don't know what YouTube monetization is, that's when, a channel has 1,000 YouTube subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once you hit that mark, your channel can actually be monetized. Meaning YouTube will pay you for having ads on your channel. Now, this is what most YouTubers try to accomplish when they create their YouTube channel. Now, one quick story I want to mention is I was able to hit 6 figures with my YouTube channel before I even had 1,000 subscribers. What? And this is very, very powerful because a lot of people, when they try to create their YouTube channel, their main focus is trying to get a ton of views so they can get YouTube monetized. Now, here's the thing. The way to make money on YouTube, and the best way to make money, is with affiliate marketing. Now, here's the thing, guys. Before you jump off the video, I want to show you exactly how you can make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, but with a small channel. Now, here's an example of affiliate marketing on YouTube. Let's just say, for example, these studio lights, right? Let's just say I want to promote that. I can literally go to Amazon.com and grab a special link that's tied to me, right? So now let's just say you wanted to buy these studio lights, okay? I can give you my affiliate link, and if you were to buy with my Amazon link, I would get a commission, all right? This is a physical product affiliate link. Same thing with Walmart.com, Amazon.com, eBay. You can become an affiliate for these companies. Now, one of the main mistakes that I see people making all the time is picking low ticket products, right? Something like a studio light. Yeah, I may make, $10, $20, but that's not going to be enough to make a full-time income unless I have a huge following, right? So how can we actually make money with a small YouTube channel and actually, quit your 9-to-5 job, right? And that's what I was able to do. And that's with high ticket affiliate marketing. Let me explain how you can get started. These are the 3 steps you need to monetize a YouTube channel, even with a super small channel. So step number 1 is we have to pick an affiliate product. Now, it can be a physical product, it can be a online product or digital course, but what I recommend is finding a product with a high ticket. Now, I always recommend to my students to find a digital product or an online product. The reason being is because unlike a studio light or unlike something physical, you don't have to ship an online product, right? So the margins are a lot higher, meaning people that, when you partner with the business that's selling an online product, they literally have no overhead. They don't have to ship you the product. So it's much easier for you to make a lot more money, right? You can make upwards of 40, 50, even 75% in some cases because the vendors are able to pay you a lot more because they don't have to ship any product. So again, step number 1 is we have to find a product to sell. Now, if you're looking for a physical product, one of the best places you can go is just Amazon.com. You can apply to become an affiliate for Amazon and literally promote anything on Amazon.com. A lot of people make full-time incomes with it. You could also go to Walmart.com and become an affiliate of Walmart. Now, what I always teach is becoming an affiliate for an online product or an online course or even a software, okay? So one of the easiest places to go is clickbank.com. You can go to jvzoo.com. You can go to digistore24.com. These are all networks of affiliate products. You can literally go to these places, you can sign up and you can promote any of the products on there, right? There's products from weight loss, from how to make money with cryptocurrency, how to make money with investing, how to make money with affiliate marketing. You can literally sell these types of products and people are willing to pay a high ticket, right? People want to learn how to lose weight. They want to learn how to make money online. So they're willing to pay a higher ticket for these higher ticket products. Now, step number 2 is really important, okay? Now, the biggest mistake I see is they go from step number 1 to step number 3, which is driving traffic, right? Getting customers there. But step number 2 is super important, guys, and that's building an opt-in page. Now, what an opt-in page is, it's a place where you can grab an email before they get to the product. So for example, let's just say I want to sell those studio lights, okay? Instead of sending people to that page, right, to the Amazon page, what an opt-in page is a page in the middle that gets them from me to the studio light. So for example, I would say something like, type in your email here if you want to learn more about, these studio lights. Now, the goal here is to grab an email and putting these people in my email database. Now, this is very, very powerful. Let me explain why, okay? So there's a few things that happen when you send someone directly to a product. 1, they're going to buy the product, or 2, they're going to land on the page and then not buy the product, meaning you can't follow up. Now, if you have an opt-in page before they get to the product, right? So that means you're collecting an email. Now you can follow up, okay? So let's just say now you collect an email. There's 2 things that can happen. 1, you collect an email, they go to the product page, and then they buy. But more importantly, now you have that email, now you can stack them up with other affiliate products, right? So an example, if you're selling those studio lights, now you can send an email maybe a couple days later and say, hey, now you need a microphone, now you need another set of lights, now you need this, now you need this, right? And now we can start making money with that email list. And that's how you can be successful with affiliate marketing, right? Another thing that can happen if you are collecting emails is, let's just say, you collect an email, you send them to the studio lights, but they don't buy, right? Maybe we send an email to another set of lights that they might want to purchase, or a different brand or different style. And that's how you make money with your email list, because you can follow up with that customer. That's one of the biggest mistakes I see with affiliate marketers is they're not building that email list, which is your most important asset in your online business. That's literally your business, is your email list, okay? Now, step number 3 is just sending traffic, right? Now, instead of sending traffic to that direct page, now we're sending traffic to that opt-in page that we created on step number 2. Now, of course, I could teach you how to build an opt-in page. I could even give you my opt-in pages, but let me explain how to send traffic first, all right? Now, specifically, we're talking about YouTube, right? Because if you have a small channel, if you want to start a YouTube channel, then we want to focus on a few different things if you're just starting out. A lot of people, what they try to do with YouTube is they try to get their videos to go viral, okay? You don't want to do that right away. I mean, you're most likely not going to go viral on YouTube. So what you want to focus on is search terms, okay? You want to focus on YouTube search terms that are very low competition but are highly searched, okay? This is going to be really, really important because now people are searching for that actual product, for the solution to their problem, and your video is going to show up. So they're going to click on your video and hopefully take action, all right? And this is how you get started as a small YouTuber, or if you're just brand new, okay? You really want to focus on search. Now, another thing you could do is product review search terms, right? So for example, if I'm selling the studio lights again, and they're called, studio lights for YouTubers, then I would actually do a review called review on studio lights for YouTubers, all right? Because now people are actually searching that. Now, people always ask me, how can I find these search terms that people are already searching? The easiest way, guys, just go to youtube.com, go to the search bar and start typing in your idea, and then the search term is already going to be filled out, all right? Another type of video you can do is a problem-based video, right? So for example, if you're selling something like a software, if you're selling something like a course, think about what that course solves, right? So for example, I'm going to give you an example of my course, the 3-Day Business Breakthrough Challenge. The problem that solves is it teaches people how to start an online business without any products, any customer service, anything like that, right? So I can go to YouTube and type in how to start a business without having products. And if that search term comes up, I can create a video on that, right? And I can now link them from the keyword, the problem, to the actual solution, which is the course, right? Another idea is, let's just say you're trying to sell a product like ClickFunnels, right? Basically, it's a product that builds websites super, super easy, right? It's a drag and drop website builder. So, a problem it might solve is like how to build a website in 10 minutes, right? If you go on YouTube, you can probably find something similar to that, create a video, and then just create the bridge from the problem to the solution, which is in this case the software, okay? And guys, this is how you create a full-time passive income business with a small YouTube channel. I was able to hit 6 figures with my YouTube channel with not even 1,000 subscribers, okay guys? Because I was able to, one, find a product that solved a problem. Number 2, I was able to build an email list. And then number 3, I was able to create content, YouTube videos based on things that people were already searching. Now again, you don't have to create videos that are gonna go viral, okay? We just have to create videos that people are laser targeted. They're looking for that specific solution to their problem, all right? Very, very simple, guys. You just go on YouTube and see what people are already searching. That's one of the easiest ways you can do that. Now, guys, if you want to learn exactly how I was able to monetize my small YouTube channel, how I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures in just 6 months and quit my job in 9 months, I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I teach you how to monetize a small YouTube channel, but more importantly, how to build a 6-figure online business from scratch. I literally was able to go from a 9-to-5 electrical engineer hating my job to a full-time affiliate marketer, and now doing this full-time. Guys, I literally love what I do. I love creating content. I love helping you guys build online businesses. I've literally helped thousands of students, start their first online business. If you want to learn exactly how you can get started step by step, I'm going to leave a link down below, guys, and it's going to walk you through how to get started. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless.